Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Deck the Hall, which can be found on the UkePlayAlongs page on YouTube. In this video, first of all, I'll talk about the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then we'll talk about the chords you need to play it on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming and or picking. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the UkePlayAlongs channel and UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, first in the key of C. You'll need the C chord. You'll need the G7 chord. You'll need the A minor chord. You'll need the D7, or what we actually call the D7 Hawaiian chord. There's no actual D in it. You'll need the regular G chord. And you'll need the F chord. Those are the chords you need to play Deck the Hall in the key of C. Now let's go to the key of D on GCEA ukulele. In the key of D, you'll need the D chord, the A7 chord, a B minor chord. First finger goes across all four strings right above the middle second fret. You can probably aim right in between the two and then pull against the fretboard this way. That will give you most of the sound that you need. Add your thumb for some light support, and then with your ring finger play the first string, fourth fret. That's the B minor chord. Then we'll have the E7. I do turn my wrist out a little bit on the E7 chord, then an A chord, and then finally a G chord. And those are the chords you need to play Deck the Hall on GCEA ukulele in the key of D. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. Then on baritone, we'll need the D chord, then an A7 chord, which is a bar chord. First finger covers all four strings right above the middle second fret. Pull against all four strings with your finger like this. It's a pull, not a pinch. Add your thumb for some light support, and then add the second finger to the first string, third fret. Then we'll have a B minor chord, an E7 chord, a normal A chord, and a G chord. And those are the chords you need to play Deck the Hall on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming and picking. Now, as it comes to strumming and or picking, there was no ukulele in the original version of this song, so therefore there's not one single right answer. However, there are three rules to strumming which you should follow. It also applies to picking. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat or steady tempo. If you're playing with a recording, stick with the tempo of the recorded music. And third, make sure that whatever style you are playing matches the style of music. As long as you're doing those things, you're good. Now, here are just a couple of ideas for you just using the first line of Deck the Hall with Boughs of Holly. The first thing you could do is just play single down strum, something like this. That would work. So you're basically playing every two beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would work. You could also do a pattern with a down, down, up, down would work pretty well too. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now you could play with all sorts of other strumming patterns if you want to, but you could also try picking patterns. And here's just one idea. Ukulele Mike Lynch years ago taught using sort of a claw, playing strings 4, 2, and 1 with fingers thumb, first finger and second finger, and just picking like that. Years ago he taught this. But then you pick them all at the same time, and then you can fill in with the rest of the strings. The thumb would play strings 4 and 3, first finger string 2, middle finger string 1. It would sound something like this. And in that case, I'm just doing 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then repeating that pattern. that's just one of many different picking patterns that you could try. Again, there's not one single right answer here. There's a lot of different things that will fit. And in fact, you could pick some of the song and strum some of the song. There's no rule saying that you can't do that as well. All right, so with those chords and those very basic ideas for strumming and picking, that's all you need to do to be successful on Deck the Hall for GCEA or DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.